A victory for victims and survivors of domestic violence across Florida.
Governor Ron DeSantis signed a comprehensive domestic violence reform bill aimed at protecting victims and holding abusers accountable.
And WPTV Chief Investigator Jamie Ostroff has been tracking the legislation since it was filed by a Palm Beach County lawmaker.
She followed up with that lawmaker and the survivors who used their stories to fight for change.
I'm very excited. I'm so happy.
When I caught up with Jenny Carter late Thursday afternoon,
And here I am in Tallahassee. I wouldn't miss it for the world.
she had come a long way.
So I was in Texas doing on a conference for domestic violence.
To witness the signing of a bill she and fellow domestic violence survivors like Christine Marin helped craft.
Our Governor DeSantis signing it into law was such a special moment to be there. It almost didn't feel real.
The moms driven by a connection they share, which no parent wants.
And I saw the fire department, news crews, police department.
We first introduced you to Jenny in December.
They were always together, and this is something that I miss a lot. I miss their hugs, their arms around me.
This is a family with 3 victims.
19 years after her ex-husband killed their children, Crystal and Nelson, in a murder-suicide in Lake Worth.
I continue to live for my kids. We have to change things. We have to change laws to protect the victims.
As for Christine,
So a year ago, I filed an injunction. I was given full custody of my 4 children. That injunction was violated 67 times.
her teenage son, Dominic Farrell, was stabbed to death in Miami last year. He was spending the night with his father.
Dominic was never supposed to be in his father's 34th floor rental unit.
So ultimately, his father was not to blame, but the law was violated. He was not supposed to be where he was.
Unfortunately, this is the way we have to meet, but at the same time, it's been such a blessing.
The bill includes stronger penalties for offenders who repeatedly violate protective orders, a GPS monitoring pilot program to track those offenders, broader legal definitions, making it easier for victims to get a protective order, and additional money for victims to relocate and become survivors.
I feel so incredibly proud.
The bill was introduced by Representative Deborah Tendrich of Lake Worth.
It's been one of the most emotional, difficult, and meaningful experiences of my life.
This bill is very personal to me. 13 years ago, I left a domestic violence situation, and that decision is what brought me to Florida with a suitcase, my daughter, and $15 in my pocket.
Who opened up about her own story of survival as she worked to turn it into law.
If you're one person screaming off a mountaintop, you're the only one who hears yourself, right? But if you get a whole village, a whole community to scream that same message with you, that truly resonates.
Earning unanimous votes in the House and Senate along the way.
This is my why. This is a big one of my purpose, to make sure that I can make sure that more Florida families don't have to go through what I went through, Jenny or Christine have went through.
All 3 women tell me the work continues. Jenny Carter travels the country to share her story and advocate for victims and survivors everywhere. And Christine Marin started a foundation in Dominic's name to further that mission as well.